In this CodeBook practical session, we're going to be looking at importing data from a SEPS data source. To do this, we need to start off with a project that's set up to accept the data fields from a SEPS data source. So we're going to go to New Project, and we're going to select the sample standard project US customary units. It's important this one is selected as the other projects do not have this ability. So we're going to select Next. I want to say where do we want to create this data set and where do we want to create the folders for this data set. So in your example, this would be perhaps on a networked pathed server. I'm going to give it a database name. I'm going to enter a project number and a note. And we can see now we can create a new library for room data and create a new library for equipment. It's important that the update library with SEPS VA room terminology is selected. Otherwise, when we import the data from the SEPS data source, it will not go into the correct fields in CodeBook. So we'll click Next, and we'll let CodeBook create this project for us. CodeBook has now created this project and opened it for us. To import SEPS data, we select Load and select the SEPS VA option. This will of course require you to have an internet connection. The import data from SEPS form has now loaded, where we can select our agency, such as Military Health or Department of Veteran Affairs. We can select our service, and we can also select the criteria version and the history. In the middle section, we can choose our departments, and on the right hand side, we can choose the rooms within that department we wish to import. So if I want to select my waiting, my reception, my patient education, to import these rooms, all I have to do now is click Import. Because lots of data will be changed within CodeBook, it will ask us for a number of passwords. As we're changing data within the project, it's going to want the project password. As we're adding room data, it's going to want the room data password. And as we may be adding equipment, it's going to want the FF&E library password. And finally, our initials. The import is now complete, so I'm going to click OK and close. If we select Project Explorer, we can see the departments, the rooms, along with the room information. That concludes this short tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact support@codebookinternational.com. Thank you.